Aber beim nicht verzagen, kein Problem, gell? Als Waschmaschinen-Spezialist kriegen wir das schon hin. Ja, pass auf, da rum war nichts mehr, oder? Da geht da unten was. Pass auf, das drum da. Der Mechanismus. Wahrscheinlich ist der hier, oder? Timmy, mach die ohne.
I'll be stuck here till the morning. I'll need to lubricate it, swap several sprockets, tune up the revolutions. Glue something here, tighten something there, get a stocking to replace the band. Or simply pull out this fuse.
Und, wie schaut denn aus? Zumindest ist Foot, gell? Dreimal.
I don't want to have calloused hands.
Damit? Nein.
I'd rather go around naked than with this on.
Das mag ich nicht haben.
This reminds me, maybe I could have a bath.
In die Suppen springen dem auch nicht, gell?
I'm not going to touch it. A thief still has his pride. It's not safe for me outside.
Da sind wir, Chefin. Ein bisschen wieder dran rumgewerkelt.
What for?
Geht da was? Nein. Kann ich sie da wickeln? Auch nicht, oder? Mann, ich komplett da.
It's fixed, Emily. It was just a small matter.
You're a treasure, Tim. Could you do me another favour, please?
Anything you want, Emily.
Now that the washing machine works, I need to melt soap in the water. Here you are.
Okay. I can do this. Who does she think she is? She's using me. Bloody hell. If I didn't need her, I'd screw it.
Bloody hell, jetzt krieg ich eine Seife. Geht da was? Nein. Scheiße. Ich bin der Haussklave. Schmeiß die mal da rein.
I wonder if it'll float. It won't.
Pass auf, die Seife ist fort.
I'd rather go around. I've got my
Geht
pride,
was?
damn it. At least nobody can see me.
Vorbei, Trader. Emily, die drum läuft wieder. Fast wie neu.
So, it's done.
Kann ich meine hinter stecken? Vielleicht lutscht's sauber.
That's it. They're pretty slippery now.
Und Handschellen? Nein.
I'm not going to touch.
It's
Hey,
good
Daddy,
to
what
see
you
you
roots him
again.
over?
I was just going to call you.
See? One thought of me and I'm here.
Stop it. I've got some clothes for you.
Emily, you're a treasure.
And you're a great flatterer. I'm going downstairs now, so you can get dressed.
Oh, you can stay here. I don't mind.
Oh, no, I'd rather go. I still have a lot to do.
Ja, Timmy, ich glaub, die schaut dir nicht so, wenn du ausziehst. Dann mach die freiwilligen Abgang.
I like her. She pretends to be an ice queen, but she'll melt sooner or later.
Pass auf, jetzt krieg ich Klamotten. Respekt.
It's impossible with the handcuffs.
Also, warte mal. Vielleicht geht
If
es
they
jetzt.
don't come off now, I'll have to cut my thumb off.
Dummi Quatsch nicht. Einfach machen. Jawohl.
Perfect. Now I can get dressed and finally concentrate on more important things.
Also das Problem bin ich schon mal los.
What a fuss today. I'm coming! Is the house on fire or what? How many times are you going to bother me?
I'm sorry, miss. I have no other choice. I have to ask you whether you saw or heard anything suspicious.
Look, Constable, I don't know whether I'm coming or going. I have no time to listen out for suspicious things.
Don't use such a tone with me, miss.
So go about your business and please leave me be. Just like any other decent citizen, I don't want to have anything to do with the police. Do you understand?
Miss, I have to warn you that I have an official search warrant.
Yes, I could have expected that. You can't catch your criminal, so it's a poor woman who has to pay. The police are showing their true colours again.
Whoa, she's something special. She handled the policeman perfectly. I wish she were willing to help me with the sailor as well. That would be great.
Ja, pass auf. Der Polizist ist mal auf die Fersen. Da sollen wir die anschauen, brauchen die noch? Man weiß es nie, oder? Oh, warte mal. Pass auf. Da meine geht nix, oder? Hat er gemeint?
It seems to be working.
Also geht dort. Schau mal da aus. Wahrscheinlich steht er drunten, oder? Einige Mal. Kann man die Handschellen nicht rumschwingen? Nicht, oder? Der Mann geht nix. Da sind wir, Emily. Die Luft rein unten. Dann schau ich mich um. So, warte mal. Vielleicht sollte ich mich speichern. Und Emily? Der Bulli fort. Was war's nice?
I'm really grateful for the clothes, but isn't anybody going to miss them?
I didn't want to tell you, but since you're asking, they belong to a customer who won't come back to get them.
Why? They're not so bad.
He died of some terrible disease, but I don't know anything more about it.
I see. Well, that really reassures me. But maybe I could make do with something less, posh.
Oh no, just keep them. I'd have to burn them anyway, and they suit you well.
I was afraid you were going to oust me. You have courage, I must say.
And you haven't? You swam through the sewers with handcuffs on. All the pettifoggers who do nothing but guzzle beer should see that.
I had no other choice, actually. If I had, I would prefer the beer.
I don't doubt that. But you're a hero in my eyes anyway.
Das ist ja. Hier bin ich schon der Held in ihren Augen. Zweck der Matrosen?
I have to tell you something. I didn't escape from the boat because of the police.
I suspected it. There's a girl behind all this, am I right?
But no, quite the contrary. After they caught me below deck, they beat me up and took all my possessions. I didn't have much, but I miss my medallion. It's the only thing I inherited from my parents.
You don't have to explain anything, Tim. I understand how you feel.
The bosun who escorted me out of the boat had it around his neck, and he was laughing in my face. I'm not a hero, but I have to go back there and regain it.
You're not going there right now, are you?
Understand me? I have to go. After the ship leaves, I won't have another chance.
Is it worth it? Don't you know an escaped prisoner can be shot without warning?
I have no other choice, unless... No. I can't ask that much.
Unless what? Speak, for God's sake.
It occurred to me that if somebody charming and beautiful, but somebody like yourself, went to see the bosun and enticed him here, no, I really can't ask that much.
Actually, that's not a bad idea. Do you know, we wash the sailors' clothes every day. I'm used to meeting them. What was the ship's name?
Swordfish. You're my angel, Emily.
But there's a catch to it. The work can't wait. I need you to take care of the laundry in the basket. Just throw it into the water. And wash it properly. And there's one more thing. Sometimes things are left in pockets. So you have to search every single pocket. Thoroughly.
Also, Chefin, ich hab keine Zeit, gell? Ich muss gehen. Zum Heiraten habe ich keine Zeit.
You can count on that, girl. I've been an expert on pockets since I was 10 years old.
Ja, pass auf, Seafood. Was gibt Neues? Was möchtest denn du?
I'm not going to waste my time searching pockets. I'll just throw it all in the water and it'll be done.
Ja, was treibt er nicht schön? Wäsche waschen. Ja gut, wenn er meint. Dann waschen wir wieder unten. Wenn sonst noch einer da ist.
Enough of that. I'm not going to break my back because of some stupid laundress. And what the hell is this? If only I'd searched the pockets. This is the last time I do any kind of work.
Pass auf, in der Tasche, was hat er da gefunden? Weed Tobacco. Den Tabak, was tue ich mit dem? Ja, wenn er nass ist,
The water's really pouring out of it.
Du
It
trinken.
won't dry out till the morning.
warte mal. Welchen tue ich dran? Tut die pressen. Sag das, wie das funktioniert.
I've got
Der
nothing to
Tabakpresse.
lose. I'll run it through the rollers and we'll see what happens.
Und Demi, was sagt nicht das?
Most of the water is gone. But what about the rest?
Das meiste Wasser ist fort. Den Rest haben wir trinken. Geht das? Das geht schon.
Pity the tobacco is spoilt. Even if it dries out, it'll still smell like soap.
You'd better stay outside. I'll be right back.
How did
Ja,
it go,
Chefin,
Tim?
bin dort zurück.
Fine with me. But what about you? Did you have any trouble? Is he here?
Of course he is. You didn't doubt me, did you?
Not for a single second.
Now it's up to you, but don't hesitate too long. He's not patient, but he's more than slimy enough.
And what did you tell him?
Aren't you a bit too curious? You'd better go, otherwise the whole thing will be pointless.
I want to see that fella with my own eyes.
Da sind wir, Emily. Ein kleiner Danke fällig. Ich hab dir erwischt gewaschen.
I've always been impatient.
Ist der Drucker? Nein. Pass auf. Mehr Wischwaschen darf man nicht, oder?
I'm not going to touch it. A thief still has
Mit dem
his
Bügeleisen
pride.
geht nix. Weiß ich noch was?
I won't
Nein.
disturb you anymore, Emily.
You're welcome, Tim. Come back whenever you want.
Ich schau noch mehr viel.
What for? I don't even have a bed.
Da geht nicht mehr was. Und beim Fenster.
Here you are, you fool. Give me a chance and I'll pay you back with interest.
Der füllt die Scam, der Matrose. Und mich mit dem
I
Plaudern.
must be quiet. If he sees me, it'll be the end of me.
Ich darf mich nicht sehen. Warte mal. Da speichere ich dich lieber. Aber komm ich denn? Kommst du oben? Eher nicht, oder? Geht das?
If I have to open it, I'd prefer to do it from the inside.
Hier darf ich nicht singen. Aber ansonsten. Return, die Haustür und die Tor. Und die Handschellen. Kann ich ihm die in die Schnauze schmeißen? Nein. Also dummer, die sagt eins, mir fehlt da was. Dry Tobacco, aha, das ist ein Drucker. Sehr gut.
It smells like the soap. No great shakes, but it's better than nothing.
Mit dem Teppichklopfer, Niki.
I'm not going to
Das haben wir die
touch it.
Bügeleisen.
A thief still has his pride.
Also hier hat der Matrosen das Drum auf den Schädel geworfen. Das hat bestimmt geholfen. Sie weiß nix. Aber vielleicht muss ich, warte mal. Vielleicht schmeißt er den Tabak aus sich. Und dann springe ich noch, wie Katz. Es ist gerade die Frage, kann ich die entdecken? Auf die Bank, ha?
Perfect. I'm getting out.
Perfekt. Ein 3-Punkte-Schuss. Aber jetzt das. Speichere nochmal. Dann wollt auch hinten losgeht. Dann bin ich sicher. Kann ich da aussehen?
One thing is for sure. If the sailor spots me, I'm a dead man.
Da nicht. Was sagten Sie? Sie könnten ablenken, oder? Wenn es blank zieht. Also ich glaube, ich stehe auf dem Schlauch, oder? Oder da ist das? Aha. Jetzt sitzt er schon unten.
This needs a direct hit.
Jawohl.
You can keep
Also
them,
Monat ja
damn me.
gesessen.
You deserved it, you bastard.
Der Penner, da liegt er, pass auf. Klausi Ruppin. Emily, wundert dich nicht. Bin doch ein Krimineller. Und ein Krimineller macht kriminelle Dinge.
You shouldn't have taken what doesn't belong to you, you bastard. I'm taking this back.
Oder was dabei, was ich brauchen kann?
And what's this? So you found my cap as well? Thanks a lot.
Pass auf, sei haben wir da wieder. Und das Medaillon.
The best thing is that he won't have the slightest idea who smashed him like this.
Bei den Treppen. Und? Mit durchschmeißen.
I'd rather avoid the docks like the plague. Seawater doesn't fit with me. I hope this isn't the last time I'm here. It would be a shame to give up on Emily just like that. I don't think so. Brian's waiting for me in a pub. What was its name? I hope I didn't kill the fella. There are bloodstains visible closer.
Aber ja, was du mit dem jetzt?
The best thing is that he won't have the slightest idea who smashed him like this.
Ja Mann, mit den Lügen lassen. Dann geh wieder rein.